I'm Oliver, and this is Prevolve Footwear. I started Prevolve when I was playing soccer as a teenager. I got injured and I started tinkering with my cleats, and I realized that I could make them a little more flexible through the arch, and I had this foot engagement where I didn't have the knee pain that I had been experiencing. At the same time, I was aware of 3D printing and read this article about 3D printing and how it was the future of manufacturing. I thought, we should make 3D printed minimalist cleats. Really, it all started because I got injured though, and I wanted to make cleats that would help players not get injured and allow them to play. Prevolve shoes are fully custom made. They're a lot more flexible through the arch, and they have a wider toe box. Those are the two main features that make them different. And the goal there is to really get your feet to activate in your athletic movements, to use your feet, use the capacity that they have to absorb the load of athletic movements and just get them engaged. Ultimately, the goal being to be more resilient, to be less likely to get injured. We also include toe spacers and met pads with our cleats, which are these foot health accessories that help you sort of unlearn some of the bad patterns you might have from traditional footwear. So spreading out your toes more, engaging your arch more. These are tools that just help you get on the right path to stronger feet and a healthier body. The advantages for 3D printing are it's very accessible. The process of improvement is a lot quicker than the traditional manufacturing process, where it could be months or years between design changes. It's like the perfect manufacturing method. You can print certain shapes and designs that just aren't feasible with traditional manufacturing. So it kind of opens up some possibilities with design, like internal cavities, things to make parts more lightweight that you just couldn't do with traditional molds. So the stud pattern on the bottom of our shoes, that's something that has evolved and changed a lot. The one thing we've always had over the competition is that the studs will actually match the bone structure of your feet. So when you're planning and cutting, you want the stud to be exactly where the pressure point is. And so you get the most force transfer off of the stud. Right now, we make shoes for lots of different sports. We kind of specialize in soccer and football, but we're working on a baseball design, golf shoes, cricket shoes, rugby, lacrosse. Through our website, you can select which sport cleat you want. I think I'd also want to say thank you to everyone who's purchased a pair of cleats up to this point. Just having your belief and having the human connection, that's when you're like, okay, yeah, I remember why I'm doing this. It's to help these other human beings do the thing that they really enjoy doing. To hear from them that this product allows them to do the thing that they love is definitely the most rewarding, and it's why I've been doing this. That makes it worth it. Prevolve Footwear, our mission is to empower the human body. So Prevolve, from the feet up.
Prevolve, from the feet up. Yeah.